Smoke detector is a device that can detect smoke and issue an alarm, mainly used for timely detection of fire hazards. It monitors the concentration of smoke particles in the air through the built-in sensor, and when the concentration exceeds the set threshold, it will trigger an audible and visual alarm to remind people to take measures to buy time for escaping and extinguishing the fire, which is widely used in various spaces, such as homes, schools, shopping malls, and so on. If you want to know more about smoke detectors, click the link below to contact us.